Welcome to our tutorial for the installation of GPEdit in Windows 10 Home Edition. So we'll try to open GPEdit. Press Windows+S, type run, click on open and then type gpedit.msc. Click on OK and then you can see it throws an error message that GPEdit is mistyped as it was not installed. So we'll see how to install it properly. Now you have a link in description below. Please copy it and open it through your browser to download the shell script that will install Windows GPEdit tool. Download it, then save it in desktop somewhere. Now close your browser. Double click on the folder you have downloaded. Now drag that GPEdit enabler to the desktop. Now right click on it and then run it as an administrator. Now as you can see, this will start installing different packages and then it will take a while to install all the packages. So wait and then watch till it pops out for a request to hit any key. When it asks for hit enter. This must have installed your software. Now let's validate it. Press Windows+S, type run, click on open, type gpedit.msc. Wait for a while. Then you can see local group policy editor has been successfully installed and I'm able to open it. You can make all the necessary changes that you want. Help us in reaching 100,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching.